Today my topic is 5 asanas for beginners. So in these 5 asanas, any beginner they can easily practice. So for the posture, as per Hatha Yoga Pradipika, is Sirsasana. Like you have to choose a posture in which you are comfortable as well straight. You are much more attaining steadiness. So Sukhasana, in which you just cross both of the legs. So you will see for the beginners, first this posture will give you a nice stretch to the back. You are straight and you are into Sukham, means you are very comfortable. So this posture can be used as per your starting when you start a session. And this posture is very effective to be calm, to be very gentle. So maybe hold this posture whenever you start, and it could be around 20 to 30 seconds. You can even do your meditation in this posture. And according to Swami Ramdev, this posture is very nice when you attain samadhi. Yeah. So now the second posture after Sukhasana. Now I will hold Siddhasana. So for Siddhasana, I will fold one of the leg first. Then I will set up the other leg on the top of this one. So basically you use for deep breathing for pranayama. And you will find more working on your diaphragm. And the breathing would be. So this posture is giving you that touch, that line, then you can make your breathing longer. The third asana, Masthendriya asana, I will open one of the leg on the front. I will take other leg. I will put my foot on the side. And for beginners, you have to make your knee more adjusted. And as per yoga with that dream, you always mention this posture to open the hip joints, the hip line. Only the change is now you will take one of the hand longer all the way back. So you will find the working on the shoulder and the chest. They will become in a line and you keep stretch this side. So you're trying to give a big line, big stretching to the shoulder. So you may stay there at least for 20 to 30 seconds. And you'll find your breathing will be very calm, which is also called not a meditative, but a relaxing pose. As you want to come back, open the neck, the head, you come back to the neutral, you open the upper leg to the front, then the same posture, the other side. So just to press other leg on the top of your knee. So you're just adjusting your body. Take the other leg on the side. So you can also practice in this second way. You just adjust your elbow to the knee. Now take the other hand longer behind the shoulder. Then move the gap. Adjust your body. So you're trying to open the hip line, the quadriceps muscles as well. Pull back. Take your head to the line. Release the arms. And now release both of the legs. Right one. So just give a little more working to your knees, your legs, to your back to the fourth. In the fourth posture, I will adjust my legs while aligning my back. This posture is basically for beginners. Like you can set up your body, you can little shake, and you can adjust shoulders and the back. For this fourth posture, I will set up one of the leg close to the anus region. So as you reach on that point, drop the knee down. So in this Ekpatanasana, means only one leg we will stretch. I lifted this leg with a contraction on the knee. When I will see my knee is locked, I hold it high with both of the hands. So first to practice this Ekpantanasana with folding the thighs, but to keep your back straight. And then step by step, try to go upward. So starting the beginners will be able to reach on the calf. Try to do 1, 2, 3, maybe 1 centimeter. Then the second, and now the third. And this asana is very effective. People have stiff bones, stiff hip joints, and to make your legs flexible, more open. So what this posture will do, it will stretch your legs longer. You just make it here. And then you may go a little higher. They're trying to grab your big chest. Just stretch the body and keep allowing your back. So as you come back to your neutral position. So Ekpantanasana is very effective for your lungs, for your muscles, for your whole structure. And then always complete the other side. We'll set up. It's important the heel close to the man's feet and as much you can. Adjust and then press this knee down into your body is lined. Now this leg is straight. You're making your breathing longer. Then work on the other side. So just a nice stretch, just a nice working. As you settle your body properly, nicely, then descend. You allow the leg to move, to raise up. As you find you're at a good level, then hold it high, pull your body longer, and then start to lock the knee. Then step by step, step by step, step by step. And you may also practice this after grabbing the picture. You're going to stretch it to the sidewards. And as you come back, this was the fourth. Now the fifth posture in which we'll give the relaxation to our sidewards. So in this twisted pose, you may hold your knee with the alternate side, the same side, the arm, take it longer. When you set up the hand behind the back or on the sidewards, then we release the hands. And the same working in this fifth posture again. You go to the side, you twist your back, you're enlarging your body, the placement of the hand, and then deep stretching. And during the posture, the main, as per definition, is Sirsasana. So you are steady, you are at comfort. And then for time, same rotation. And please turn the body to the other direction. So these were the 5 asanas for beginners. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any comment, any question if you have, please put in the comment box. And if you liked, please press the like button and share the video. Also subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.